In a small town, there lived a young boy. His name was Liam. Liam lived with his mother, father, and little sister in a tiny apartment near the market street. His father worked hard at a construction site. Every morning, he left home before sunrise. Every evening, he returned tired and covered in dust. Even though he worked hard, the family still struggled. Money was always short. Liam's mother tried her best to make simple meals with whatever they had. But there were days when food became very limited. One winter evening, Liam came home from school and noticed something strange. The kitchen was quiet. There was no smell of dinner. His little sister sat silently near the table. His mother looked worried. Just then, his father entered the apartment. He looked exhausted. That day, he had not been paid for his work. The company had delayed salaries again. Liam watched his father sit quietly at the table. For the first time, he saw helplessness in his father's eyes. Later that night, Liam heard his little sister whisper, "I'm hungry." His mother hugged her gently. Liam could not sleep. He kept thinking about his family. The next afternoon, while walking home from school, he passed a grocery store. Fresh bread filled the shelves. Warm bread. Soft bread. The smell drifted into the cold street. Liam stopped walking. He imagined his sister smiling while eating warm bread. His heart beat faster. He knew stealing was wrong, but desperation clouded his thoughts. Slowly, he entered the store. People moved around him, busy shopping. No one noticed the nervous boy. Liam carefully picked up one loaf of bread and hid it under his jacket. Then he hurried toward the door. But before he could leave, a hand grabbed his shoulder. Liam froze in fear. The grocery store owner, Mr. Clark, stood behind him. "Did you steal that bread?" he asked firmly. People nearby turned to look. Liam's face became red with shame. Slowly, he pulled the bread out. Tears filled his eyes. "I'm sorry," he whispered. "My family is hungry." The store suddenly became quiet. Mr. Clark looked closely at Liam. His clothes looked old. His face looked tired and worried. For a moment, Mr. Clark said nothing. Then his expression softened. Quietly, he took the bread from Liam's hands and walked away. A few moments later, he returned carrying a bag. Inside were bread, milk, eggs, and a few vegetables. Liam stared in shock. Mr. Clark handed him the groceries gently. "No child should steal to feed a family," he said quietly. Liam's eyes filled with tears. Before Liam left, Mr. Clark spoke again. "Stealing is wrong," he said kindly. "But asking for help is never wrong." That evening, Liam brought the food home. His parents were shocked. Liam told them everything. His father hugged him tightly. "We may be poor," he said softly, "but we must never lose our honesty." His mother quietly wiped tears from her eyes while listening. The next morning, Liam and his father returned to the grocery store together. His father apologized sincerely and promised to repay every item. Mr. Clark smiled kindly. Instead of anger, he offered Liam a small job after school. Slowly, things became better for the family. Years later, Liam never forgot the day he stole bread, not because of shame, but because kindness and understanding changed his life forever.